Today we're going to be talking about the dark side of roofing, ways that contractors cut corners so that they make more profits and you have an inferior product. We're not going to be talking about outright scams or people that steal your money, because unfortunately those do exist within the roofing industry and the contracting industry in general. It is common practice for your roofing contractor to ask for a deposit in order to get the job on the schedule. Don't necessarily think that they're trying to take your money as a result of that. However, there are other ways that the roofing contractor can cut corners without you even knowing, and that's what we're going to talk about. Most people don't really know what roofing is all about, so it's pretty easy for a roofing contractor to tell you things without you realizing what's going on. One of the top ways that a roofing contractor might save you money, but in reality give you an inferior product, is by not taking off your old roofing system. So in some states, like in Indiana, you can have 2 layers of roofing and it's still up to code. But we don't really recommend that because we don't know what's going on underneath your old roofing system. You could have rotted decking, you could have mold issues, and if we don't take the entire product off, there's no way to know that you're getting a quality system on top of your roof. And your roof is a very expensive investment, so you don't want to be playing around with that. In addition, if you don't take that tear off, a lot of times it will void your warranty. And speaking of warranties, one of the ways that contractors cut corners is by offering the cheapest possible warranty. And the way that they do that is by potentially buy old or defective materials that can be purchased on lot and then put them on your roof and then not offer you any kind of warranty at all. So make sure that you're looking not only for the manufacturer warranty and a documented manufacturer warranty, but also a warranty from your actual contractor himself. Your contractor may also not install the products that they actually listed on your original contract, because how are you to know if you're not there on the job site? Some of the ways that you can make sure that the contractor's actually installing the product that they say is just like walk outside and look at those materials. If they told you they were going to put Atlas, you better see some Atlas shingles in your yard. You can also ask for the contractor to send you a picture of the materials. They all get dropped off in the same area of your driveway, so it should be pretty easy for them to prove what they're putting on. The other way that a contractor might cut some corners, especially if you're working with an insurance claim, is by not installing all the coded items. So codes change, so depending on the age of your roof, maybe something wasn't code when your original roof was put on, but now it is code. Well, if the contractor doesn't want to put that coded item on, they're gonna be saving money by not putting a roof that's to code on your project. And the last way, and this one's really sad, they might not pay the people who are actually installing your roof. Roofing is commonly subcontracted out, which means that the roofing person that you're working with, the contractor, is subcontracting the work with a crew that they maybe work with regularly, or maybe they never work with this crew. Maybe they just picked them up because they were the cheapest ones available and they just need to get this roof on. You don't want that kind of contractor. They may choose, because the subcontractor doesn't have an agreement with you as the customer, they may choose to not pay their subcontractor and walk away with all that free labor that saves them money. But in reality, it's just not fair. Do they have someone who's checking in on the job site? Do they have a supervisor there? Are they actually providing you with quality management and quality assurance? These are all things that cheaper contractors may choose to do without in order to save a buck or two. But you don't want your contractor saving a buck or two on your roofing project. So if you want to make sure that you have a high quality contractor, watch this other video.